Want to boost your creativity and let others remix your reels on Facebook? Let me show you how to enable the remix feature in just few taps. Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the steps to enable remix reels on Facebook. So let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on your profile picture or your name at the top of the app to access your profile. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Settings from the options. Now scroll down to Audience and Visibility section. Find the Reel option below Audience and Visibility section. Tap on the toggle button beside the Allow anyone to remix your future public reels option. And that's it. Now others can remix your reels and get creative with your content. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks.